Multibody parts, SOLIDWORKS. Composite all the elements. Document parts are made of different design and have different properties. On the plane above, create extrudable base. On the plane above, create a new boss base cylinder. And on the multi-body tree, select the object and right mouse button and edit appearance. Select some texture. Select and hold left mouse button. Drag on the object and select other, maybe some gloss red, and face, and select other blue hedge gloss. Some funny picture I have. Multi-body parts, SOLIDWORKS.